I'm in Belgrade because Mariana invited me to do this workshop, and through the organization of movement research in New York City and a program that they call GPS. I call it, the workshop itself, what we do when we do the thing we do before we know what we're doing. And it's a little bit of, sort of play on words, but mainly, in essence, what I'm interested in and have been interested in the last decade is trying to get closer to the structures of my thinking, the internal structures, or maybe the subterranean, more subconscious layers of my thinking, and bring those structures out into a more conscious action and practice. Try not to pause or feel that you need to slow down in order to notice more through the modes of speaking and moving. And I've been working on an operation called non-stopping for also about 8 or 9 years now, and which basically is what it sounds like. You know, once you start, you don't stop. So just regulating for yourself where your attention goes. I think that's more a way to think about it. So there's no imperative for me. It's more about noticing for yourself what's happening. Through the duration of it, you bypass all these learned behaviors or choreographed behaviors or received structures of what dance should, or you know, all of these blocks that we have, and it forces one to accept the materials that are actually coming up and to give attention and value to those materials, rather than thinking that we need to create something other than what is emerging from our bodies. Because I really believe that our bodies has a level of knowledge and intelligence that we can't always access cognitively. So through the practice of doing, the reality of doing, part of the practice is retrospectively noticing those structures that start to emerge, and it's both a movement practice, but also could be a choreographic practice. So that's that was a long-winded, non-stopping speaking about what I do.